Okay, so we are at the Dallas airport and we are waiting for our flight. I've had 2 Bloody Marys and 2 mojitos and a whole thing of these. I'm still finishing this. Robert has been gaming, but it's been good. But we are gonna leave to our flight here in about 2 minutes. 2 to 5 minutes. So I gotta finish this. Alright, let's go now.
Well, after a very troubling amount of time trying to get a rental car, we are now in Spain, bound to go to Andorra. I don't know what this man is doing in front of us.
He doesn't either.
And, oh, we're gonna go straight actually. And it's gonna be a good time. It took us way too long to get here. We're gonna get to our hotel at midnight, which is super cool because we've been traveling now for 26 hours.
Oh.
So, join us for the adventure.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
You can't really see it, but that's a castle.
Yep.
And Robert's nose. We are in Andorra.
Not too much driving,
No,
but also too much driving.
about 2 hours.
Yep. Ooh, 911's plural. Okay, good morning from the actual first day. We're here at the bathtub statue in Andorra. Nice and steamy right now. Walk into the river for no reason at all. About to go get some breakfast and groceries and hopefully go hit the ski slopes afterwards, which it doesn't look very snowy down here, but hopefully it is up there. We ran by the gas station because I accidentally went there instead of a grocery store. We got bread, Monster, oranges, and 15 liters of water, and it was $9. Love Andorra. So, very bad at recording. We got our rentals, we got a little snack. Chell is not skiing with me today, but I am here at the ski resort in the gondola. I got all that taken care of. And probably not going to see many videos because it's kind of hard to ski and record stuff at the same time. But I'll do what I can. You'll see what you see. The windows in this gondola are like destroyed. But, you know, scratches, but there's a ski slope behind it, I promise. There's a lot of people out today. The raviolis with the pork and the Japanese sauce. Meatball thing. Riding the baby lift with Chell. I don't know if she's gonna do it, but I hope she can do a black diamond by the time we leave. They're pretty easy here. Andorra blacks are like medium difficult Utah blues, so we'll see. We had a bunch of fun skiing, and I got chalky milk. Hotel, and now we ran to the gas station and bought all of the stuff in the entire world, and I got chalky milk. This might be some of the lowest visibility I've ever skied in my life. This is crazy. I feel like I can't see 5 feet in front of me. Chell, what do you got to say to the camera?
Hi.
Well, it's the end of a successful ski trip. Chell had a great time. She definitely did not fly off trail and whack her head on a rock on the last run and then have to go the entire way down doing the pizza really slowly. That would have never happened. So tomorrow we're headed off to Malta, so we'll see you then.
Bye, Andorra. We're gonna miss you.
Bye, Andorra. We're tired.
Very tired, but oh my, look at that view.
On our way to Barcelona.
Barcelona. We are back in Spain.
After just a short little 20-minute drive.
Woo! I really am gonna miss Andorra though. It's such a beautiful country.
Yeah.
And highly recommend going there.
This truck stop has a bunch of old gas pumps inside. It's kind of neat.
Here we go. We're headed to Malta.